In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Zoho Campaigns. To get started, you'll want to first locate the Create Campaign button in Zoho Campaigns, which is typically found in the top right corner of your dashboard. Once you click on that, you'll be presented with a couple of different options. You'll want to choose the Regular Email Campaign to get started. However, if your goal is to test various options to see what resonates best with your audience, you might consider choosing the A/B test option. This can give you valuable insights into what works best for your subscribers. Next up, you'll be prompted to fill in some key campaign details. The campaign name is essential, as it helps you keep track of your various campaigns over time. The topic is another vital piece, as it provides context for what your email is about, especially if you're revisiting it later. After that comes the subject line, which is arguably one of the most crucial elements. A well-crafted subject line can significantly impact your open rates, as it's the first thing your recipients will see. Alongside the subject line, you'll need to consider your pre-header text. Think of this as a sneak peek into your email content. It should be engaging and complement your subject line to encourage more opens. With the basics in place, you'll move on to setting your sender and reply to details. These might seem like small pieces, but they play a big role in establishing trust and improving deliverability. Start by adding your sender name, which is what will appear in the recipient's inbox as the sender of the email. This could be your name or your organization's name, depending on what your audience will recognize best. Then, you'll want to set your reply to email. This is particularly important if you're hoping for responses, as it indicates where any direct replies to your campaign will be sent. Make sure this email address is monitored regularly to catch any replies or inquiries. Taking these steps ensures your campaign is set up for immediate success. By carefully naming and structuring your campaign, crafting a compelling subject line and pre-header, and properly setting your sender and reply to details, you set a solid foundation for a successful email marketing initiative. Follow these guidelines to create a seamless experience for both you and your subscribers. Remember, attention to detail at this stage can pay dividends in the form of higher engagement and better results. In closing, initiating a campaign in Zoho Campaigns is straightforward once you know the key steps and considerations. With practice, you'll become even more efficient and effective at getting your message in front of the right people. Thanks for watching, and happy campaigning!